What's good, YouTube? It is Digital Hustler back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing y'all one of my best trades that I have ever caught on forex. And this trade right here is so it's a story behind this trade, y'all. Basically, I was in doing the prop firm challenge and everything like that, my forex fund, and pretty much with this trade, y'all, this trade was supposed to help me pass a challenge, but I did get into some other trades that went the wrong way. I was looking to swing this trade all the way down here. I literally marked this up and everything. I got a picture for it. I'm probably gonna drop the picture right here. I marked it up and everything. Even the alarm itself, as you can see right here, was account has been passed. Hold on. How can I look at alerts? Create an alert. Alerts already done. Look at this, y'all. NZDCAD challenge pass. Crossing 0.78640. Literally, y'all, this trade right here, as you can see, stopped and triggered, was literally supposed to be something that helped me pass the challenge. But like I said, I got emotional one day, put a lot of trades in, and I didn't even really necessarily fail the challenge. It was just my equity for the day. I started off the day with like $7,100. I mean 5,100 in my account, and then I think I dropped to around like 4,700, and that was below that was too much. That was over the equity amount that I can lose for the day. So they did close that account. Like I said, I didn't fail the account, but you know, the equity and everything. And also, I didn't even know that, you know what I'm saying? That was the first time I ever had something like that happen. So yeah, so I was unaware, you know, I'm gonna keep it 1,000. I was unaware, you know, it is my fault, you know, I'm not gonna sit up here and make no excuse, but at the same time, you know, I learned from it. So next time, I know if you up a certain amount, don't keep putting trades in. So with that being said, we have NZDCAD right here in front of us. One of the best trades that I've ever caught in forex, just because of the risk, bro. I'm risking $12 to make $180 in one trade, like literally one trade. And this took about, I think this took like about a week or two, 17 days. So yeah, over 2 weeks. And trades like this are literally trades that can literally, these are the type of swing trades that you're looking for, because I took this trade from the 4 hour and I swinged it down to a daily level, an important daily level that needed to be break to continue this downtrend on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, and also possibly on the monthly time frame. So with that being said, we're finna break this trade down, and I'm finna show y'all what I was looking at within the market and why I took this trade. So yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, NZDCAD, I'm not even gonna lie, I really do like how it moves on this monthly time frame. This is probably one of the best pairs that I ever seen move like this on the monthly. Usually on the monthly, it's so scrappy and all over the place, but this one, you know, you can tell what's going on right here. We can see like a uptrend going on, you know, and then it broke this level right here. I mean, it created this level right here, this low, and then pushed up, broke that level, and now we're on a downtrend, as you can see. So with that being said, yellow is my monthly lines showing the downtrend, I believe. Yeah. So okay, so yeah, this didn't happen. I was expecting an uptrend after it broke this high right here, but it just kept on dropping. So delete that. Now we drop down to the weekly time frame, and I believe the red is weekly. As y'all can see, we had a downtrend going on, break a structure, came back down, continued that uptrend, down again, broke this low, pushed up, dropped down, broke this low, came up, uptrend, and then it broke this low right around here. And yeah, we've been on the downtrend ever since then. So now we can go down to the daily time frame, and I believe green is daily. So yeah, so pretty much what this is, I seen that the market created this big push up right here to balance out the market and continue this downtrend. And once I seen this strong downtrend around right here, the market was so like all over the place that I didn't even really too much, you know, just mark this up. I just eyeballed it. So I seen this push down. Let me mark this up for y'all, so those that don't understand what's going on. I seen this push down right here. Let me make this close for y'all. And then I seen this rejection that came right around here. So with that being said, once I seen that, I was like, okay, cool. Now, if the market drops in below this low right here, then I do see the market going back up here, and that's why you see this entry right here. However, it didn't go all the way up there. So with that being said, once I seen the market break this low, I was like, okay, cool. Now the market still wants to go on the downtrend, and my target is that weekly low, as I showed y'all. So with that being said, I dropped down to the 4-hour time frame. And once I dropped down to the 4-hour time frame, I seen the current trend that it was going on within the 4-hour. So with that being said, I seen this right here. Let me make this red. Move this right here. And then bam. All right, so boom. Seen this initial push down. Market came around this area. Seen that the market respected this high once again, so it's still on a downtrend. Y'all, look, when you have a trend in front of y'all, follow the trend. Do not try to go against the trend. That's one of my biggest issues when I first started off. I was a good trader, don't get me wrong. I was a very good trader, but I had a tendency of always trying to catch reversals, always, and that's how I traded fast money. High frequency forex options, binary options, as most people know. That's how I would trade it. I would trade against the trend. So it wasn't necessarily me just being asinine or not realizing what's going on. I tried to bring how I made my money on HFX to FRX. So, you know, I tried to bring what I knew on binary options to traditional forex, and that pretty much messed me up just because of the risk ratio, right? It's different. So once I seen the market continue this push down, I pretty much, where was I in the market? Hold on, let me start this. So boom, as y'all can see, right? Market pushed down once again. That wasn't even the high, my bad. This was the high right here. So I seen the market push down. I'm sorry, I seen the market push up, create this high right here, push down again, and beat this low. So now we have a new area that we can look at. We're looking from up here all the way down here, right? 95 pips. So with that being said, once I seen that within the market, I said, okay, cool. So it has to come back around somewhere in this area. As y'all can see, I caught that sniper entry. As y'all can see right here, caught that sniper entry. And pretty much, like I said, I was swinging it 12 pips, y'all, 12 pip stop loss. I was swinging it all the way down to this weekly low, which was 180 pips. So I dropped down to the 1-hour time frame, and this is the start of how to catch sniper entries, right? 1-hour time frame. That's all I needed to see. I seen this candle right here, which was very important, because once I seen this candle, there was a big drop right after, right? So that was the last up candle before this big drop that y'all see. So with that being said, if I would have marked 50% of this, my entry would have only been about, well, we can literally see. I'm over here trying to guess. Oh no, let me see. My entry would have probably been like 4 pips. I'm sorry, my stop loss would have been like 5 pips. So with that being said, I was like, that's too small. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out on this trade. So with that being said, I basically just marked up the open and the close of the candle, and that was my stop loss. My stop loss and my entry, right? Entry is at the open, stop loss is at the close. So that's pretty much how y'all see. And then it looks like I didn't get tapped in, but as y'all can see within the picture, I did. So with that being said, the market then proceeded to do this. Let me show y'all. Like I said, this took 2 weeks, y'all. 17 days for the trade to fully go where I wanted it to go, right? So boom, it started, as y'all can see. Man, y'all, this was a beautiful trade. And the fact that it wasn't even, I was really planning to swing this all the way to my, take profit. But like I said, my equity did surpass the, what's allowed on the account, and I did get out, I got taken out the trade. It wasn't necessarily me. But as y'all can see, boom, take profit was hit. And that's how I basically risked $12 to make $100, hypothetically, depending on how much you risk on your account. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what that trade looked like on NZDCAD and how I caught that sniper entry. You can literally do that with any other pair also, either mark the open or the 50%. It all depends on how big you want your stop loss. My minimum stop loss is, my maximum stop loss, I'm sorry, is always 15 pips. Minimum is 6 pips just because of spread. So with that being said, that is how I caught my entry on NZDCAD, and I swung it for 180 pips. This is literally a 1 to 15 ratio trade. And always, I definitely want to say this before I end off this video, for anybody that's looking to trade, start their clothing line, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anything that you want to do in life, bro, always stand on what you believe. Always stand on what you want to do in life. You know, always take people's, take people's advice, don't get me wrong, but don't hold it to a certain standard that you neglect what you really want to do because of their opinions, like always do what you want. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all literally right here where I was, at this time I was taking 1 to 4 ratio trades. Like I was literally taking 1 to 4 ratio trades, and I literally, as y'all can see, man, I betted on myself once again. I told myself, like, bro,